Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be testing out this palette, which I'm very excited about because it's purple and I love purples. I've actually just done a little teaser on my Instagram, so that's why my eyes might look a little bit red and sore because I've been doing makeup. So let's test this out, let's swatch it. So this palette is called the Sugar Baby by XX Revolution. Now, you know I love Revolution, I heart Revolution, Makeup Revolution, Revolution Hair Care, Revolution Skincare, all of them. But I've never tried XX Revolution's formula. So, let's do it. Okay, so this palette is gorgeous. It is purple. So much purple, which is one of my favourite eye looks ever. I love purples, I love greens, and I love blues, which is quite shocking because before I used to just do neutral, but I'm really into colours this year and I'm just trying to like broaden my makeup out a little bit. So the first colour is this dark deep purple. We then have this gorgeous shimmery purple, this pinky purple. Okay, wowzers. We have this deep purple. So these colours swatch really nice. The shimmers feel quite sheer and I don't seem to be getting much colour from this one here. So here are the swatches. I feel like the mattes are really pigmented, but the shimmers are a little bit lackluster. So let's see how they perform on the eyes. So I've honestly never tried out XX Revolution's formula, so I'm really excited to try this. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is this purpley pinky colour here, which is really bright. And there's no mirror, which is a shame because I love having a mirror. So I'm going to use this hazelnut cream palette and I'm just going to start popping that gorgeous colour in the crease. Very nice, really bright and pigmented, blends really nice, feels very soft and creamy. I like that. So we're then going to go into this darker purple here and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner. Wow, the mattes are very vibrant, very vibrant. I'm also going to pop it on the inner corner as well because we're going to try and do like a bit of a halo eye. Okay. So for shimmer, I think I'm going to go in with this colour here because it's quite light. And let's see if we can pick some up. So it looks like you get quite a bit on your finger, but when I put it on my hand to swatch it, it didn't really come out much. So let's see how... Yeah, it's just... For me, these shimmers just seem a little bit like weak compared to other formulas. So I don't know, maybe I just need to keep building, but when I put it on the eye it just doesn't seem to be giving much off. Maybe it's just the way that they're made, but the shimmers here, this one that I'm using, is just not got much pigment to it at all, compared to like other Revolution palettes that I have tried. But it is still beautiful. This palette is gorgeous. I love the purples, love it. So I'm gonna pick up this pinky colour here and I'm gonna pop this just on the outer corner. Yeah, I mean, it's still nice. It just doesn't, the shimmers just don't really give much off. So I like the palette, it's cute. The mattes are beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but it's the shimmers that just don't seem to be doing much for me. My first time trying out XX Revolution's formula, I have to say that the shimmers were a little bit lackluster for me, but the mattes are beautiful. But again, they blend really nice. The look is beautiful. I love the palette. The packaging is literally 10 out of 10. It's stunning, but I'm just not sure about the shimmers. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think of this look. Overall, I really love it, and make sure you subscribe if you are new. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.